Hello to my viewers. I have here my caption, "Let us exercise our knowledge in playing maths." So, I have 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 3. So, this is a kind of a complex fraction. First, I have to resolve this one. So, 1 plus 1 over 3. Okay? So, I will put 1 serve as my denominator. And then I need to find my LCD. LCD is 3 because 1 times 3 is 3. Then 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 1. Okay, I got 3. Plus 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 1. So this will be 1. So I have 4 over 3. So this is 4 over 3. Okay, and then I need to solve this one 1 over my answer, which is 4 over 3. 1 over 4 over 3. Okay, so I need to copy my numerator, and then I need to change also this operation to multiplication, and then upside down of 4 over 3, which is 3 over 4. Since I don't have a denominator, so I will put 1. Then multiply numerators. So this will be 3 over 1 times 4 is 4. So I've got this one will be 3 over 4. Okay, 3 over 4. Then I need to solve this one. 1. 1 plus my answer, which is 3 over 4. So again, I will put 1 for my denominator, and then my LCD will be 1 times 4 is 4. Then 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 1 is 4. Then plus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 3. So this will be 7 over 4. So this one will be 7 over 4. Okay, this one is 7 over 4. Then I need to solve this one 1 over my 7 over 4. This one 1 over 7 over 4. So this will be 1 times the reciprocal of my 7 over 4, or the upside down, so will be 4 over 7. Since I don't have a denominator, so I will put 1. And then multiply numerators. 1 times 4 is 4. And then 1 times 7 is 7. So I've got 4 over 7. This triangle. So this will be 7 over 4. No, 4 over 7, sorry. 4 over 7. This is 4 over 7. Then this one, I will make a trapezoid. So I will put 4 over 7. This will be 4 over 7. I will make a trapezoid for this. So I have 1 plus 4 over 7. So this shape, this is trapezoid. So this will be over 1. And then this will be multiply. First, I need to find my LCD. This will be 7. Then 7 divided by 1 is 7 times 1. That will be 7. So this is not multiplication. Then this will be plus. 7 divided by 7 is 1 times 4. This will be 4. So this will be 11 over 7. So this trapezoid is 11 over 7. Now the final, the last one. So what kind of shape? I need to make, this is ellipse. So I have 11. So 1 over 11 over 7. So this will be 1 times the upside down of 11 over 7 is 7 over 11. Since I don't have a denominator, so I will put 1. And then multiply the numerators, which is 1 times 7 is 7. And then 1 times 11 is 11. So therefore, my final answer is 7 over 11. 7 over 11. So that's my final answer. That's all.